Hello everyone and welcome to back my channel. Today I am excited because I am going to make a Argentina football jersey using clay. If you love football art and craft or dry project, then this video for you. Before we start, do not forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more creative clay tutorial. Let's become. First, I gather all the materials I need for this project. I am using white clay, sky blue, yellow clay and some clay tools. Those colors are important because they match the famous Argentina football jersey. Now I start by making the basic shape of the. I carefully flatten the clay and shape into a shirt. I take my time because a good base will make our final result look much better. Next, I create the sleeve and stick them to the body of the jersey. After that, I make the collar using black lace slowly to jersey start look more realistic. Now come one of the most important part of the Argentina strip. I roll out the sky blue clay and cut into long strip. Then I carefully place the strip on the white jersey. Those shapes are white make the jersey Argentina jersey or recognition. At the stage, you can already see the football jersey taking shape. The color look beautiful together and the design is become more details. Next, I work on the small detail. I add the small detail on can make a big difference. So I try to be small detail can make a big difference. So I try to be neat as possible. Now I added the bells and other decorative element. This part requires patience because the pieces are very small. I use simple tools to press and shape the clay. And still everything looks nice and clay. As I continue working the jersey because more realistic, I smooth the surface and make sure all the pieces are attacking properly. This helps create a professional looking result. Making clay art is a fun way to express creative. It also helps improve patience and focus. Then if you are beginner, don't worry, with practice you can create every amazing clay project too. Now I am making the final adjustment. I check every part of the jersey and fix any small imperfection. This is always my favorite moment because the project is almost finished and finally the Argentina jersey is complete. I am really happy with how it turned out. The sky blue and white color look realistic and the detail make it look like a real football jersey. What do you think about the clay creation? Let me know in this comment below. Also tell me which football team jersey you would like me make next. If you enjoy watching this tutorial, please give this video a thumbs up, share with your friend and subscribe the channel for more clay creative dry craft and creative project. Thank you so much for watching. See you the next video. Goodbye.